Welcome to the Everyone Tips channel. In this video, we'll go through some 10 important tips you really need to know about saving money fast and easy. Often the toughest thing about saving money is just getting started, right? This video will help you with a simple, straightforward strategy so that you can save for your short and longer term goals, so that you can save for your goals of retirement. 1. You must record your expenses. The first step to start saving money is figuring out where you're spending cash. To help stay on top of all your expenses and add up your monthly expenses, keep track of every single purchase by categorizing it and noting down everything, which means expenses right from eating out to household repairs. Be sure to include everything, whether it is using a pen and paper or a simple online spending tracker. Once you have your data, organize it by categories. For example, grocery bills, and total up the amounts. Use your credit card or bank statements to double-check, ensuring you have every single expense. 2. You need to include saving in your budget. You can begin to create a budget today to show how much you spend each month. Include expenses that occur every month and can't be avoided. Add categories to track expenditures you make regularly. Be sure to save some money. Aim to save 15 to 20% of your income today. Make it feel like a comfortable sum for you, instead of a large number. Eventually, you can increase your savings by up to 15 to 20%. 3. You need to find ways to cut spending. If you cannot save as much as you like, it may be time to cut back on expenses. Identify non-essential expenditures, like entertainment and dining out, that you can spend less on. You can also reduce the cost of your fixed monthly expenses, like your car insurance or cell phone plans, as well as other bills. Perhaps one of the best ways to save is to identify other people you know who have already trimmed expenses. You can trim your everyday expenses using ideas such as 1. Review recurring charges. You cancel subscriptions and memberships you no longer use, especially if they renew automatically. 2. Find free activities. When you use resources, such as community event listings, to find free or low-cost entertainment. 3. Wait before you buy. When you are tempted by an essential purchase, wait at least a few days. If you realize the item was something you wanted rather than need, you can devise a plan to save until you have enough money to buy it all at once. 4. Look into the cost of eating out versus cooking at home. Make it your daily goal to eat the majority of your meals at home. If you want to get a treat, you can research and visit restaurant deals. 4. You must set savings goals. If you want to save money, then set a goal. First, think about what you might want to save for, both in the short term, 1 to 3 years, and in the long term, 4 or more years. Then, you should plan to spend a chunk of that money on savings. It sounds easier than trying to predict your future and ensure that your money is accumulating and saved in the proper place. Common short-term goals. Emergency fund, 3 to 9 months of living expenses. Go on a vacation, or put a down payment on a car. Common long-term goals. Savings for your home, a remodeling project, your child's or retirement. 5. Make saving automatic. Most financial institutions, banks in particular, offer automated transfers between your checking and savings accounts. You can also set a direct deposit amount or split the direct deposit so that a certain amount goes directly into the savings account. 6. Find your financial priorities. You should consider your savings goals before investing your money. For example, paying off debt, buying a new house, starting a new job, the need for a new vehicle, saving for college, and retiring. Keep in mind that your needs will probably have the biggest impact on the way you allocate your savings. 7. You must stop paying for convenience. Paying for convenience can save you some time, but it can cost you more than you think. Taking a little extra time out of your day to brew your own coffee or even clean and repair things around the house can actually grow your bank account. Spending a bit more of your day making your own coffee or taking time to clean and repair things around the house can make your money grow. Choose to reduce your expenses on items you care less about. You are free to purchase a cup of coffee from a coffee shop, but please do something else to cut. 8. Just watch your savings grow. Set yourself up to save money in your personal finances by setting yourself a deadline. Review your personal finances and what you're doing to reach your goals every month. That way you can identify and solve obstacles that will prevent you from achieving progress. Understanding how saving money fits into your overall plan can even inspire you to find more ways to save and hit your goals faster. 9. Pick the right tools. There are many savings and investment accounts suitable for short and long-term goals. Do not find yourself saddled with just one option. Consider all of the possibilities. Look carefully at all the options and assess costs and potential returns. Consider where the money needs to be returned and think about your plans. 10. Just use cash or set a control on your card. When using any kind of money to make purchases, you can trick your brain into thinking that there is an escape savings mechanism. So going to a store with cash, instead of a card, forces you to be conscious of your actual spending limit. Bonus tips. Set a smaller, less expensive goal that is fun and goes beyond your upcoming budget. Focusing on smaller goals, and enjoying the reward you've saved for, can help you feel more immediate gratification from your savings, which reinforces the habit. There is no way to save money if you're not careful. Take note of your goals, be determined to reach them, and you'll see success in the distance. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to get more content videos like this.